Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, that shit the narcissist pulled, oh, it was all a fucking game. Already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. None of that shit was real. The I love yous, the gifts in the beginning, the fake ass non-apologies, the promises of change, fake ass pseudo empathy, but most importantly, the picture we have painted in our mind of how they coulda, woulda, and shoulda been. Had they just known how much we cared, love, would have been there for them in their worst moments. The problem with that line of thinking is that would be accepting that a narcissist doesn't know exactly what they're doing in the moment. You think someone that manipulative, disrespectful, and devious doesn't know exactly what the fuck is going on? You think somebody who cheats on you numerous times, blames you for it, and then switches it around and makes it your fault for them cheating doesn't know that you accept it? What about the verbal abuse behind closed doors? The manipulative behavior, the insinuation through text messages, the veiled and blatant threats if you ever decided to leave or do the same to them? They ever show you that out in public? Did your family ever get to see them curse you the fuck out? Did your kids ever see them put their hands on you? Did your co-workers ever know about how often they will put you in danger with their reckless ass addictions? How many times had you bailed them out of fucked up ass situations that you ain't have shit to do with in the first damn place? But oh, I get it. The narcissist can put on a show out in public, couldn't they? They could act reserved or even normal when people around, but could only act a whole ass behind closed doors, huh? They could only threaten you when the two of you were alone. They could only cuss you the fuck out in the elevator, the car ride, in private places. Got it. See, what we fail to realize in that moment is, of course, the narcissist is self-aware. Of course they can put a smile on out in public, but be an entire deviant behind the scenes. Of course they know what they did that hurt you. But, this is the big ass but, they have been this way since childhood. They've always known how to play the game that normal, empathetic, understanding people who give second chances don't really know shit about. You know, victim or superhero type shit. If they constantly argue you down, make themselves to be the person who's really suffering in all of this, or the person who saved the day, they can never be made out to be the fucking villain. Problem is, they have done it so much, they have convinced themselves this shit is true. And you know what happens when someone this volatile gets older, right? They get more entrenched in their stance. That the rest of the world is to blame for their problems, not them. That you, the loving and caring partner, you are causing this issue. You are making them cheat. You are making them lie and manipulate because you don't understand them like you should. Well, until you understand how to get them out of that jam again, pick up the phone for that emergency they have, or they need you for some shit only you can handle. Then they magically know full well what you're capable of, huh? Crazy how that works, ain't it? As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.